Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Today I will present about plastic surgery for my final assessment project. Okay, this is the outline. I will divide it into four parts, which is what is plastic surgery. The second one is the most common plastic surgery among men and female. The third one is the what is motivated them to do plastic surgery, and the last one is common plastic surgery complication. Okay, the first part is what is plastic surgery. The plastic surgery is a phase process of reconstructing our face or parts of our body. This is the example of this common thing they should do. Plastic surgery also repairing parts of our body by transfer of tissues, and also it can be a treatment of injuries or for more cosmetic reasons. But doing plastic surgery is can also lead to complication. Okay, the second part is the most common plastic surgery between male and female. The male is eyelid rejuvenation. Eyelid rejuvenation is to remove. This is the eyelid rejuvenation is to remove excess fat and repositioning the eyelid. The second one is neck lift. This is because they have excess fat at their chin or their neck. They also can restore their appearance and convey youth and energy because they want to remove neck lift is because they have a turkey neck or called as double chin. The third one is rhinoplasty. Rhinoplasty is to reshape the nose because they complain because they are too big or did not fit to their face. The fourth one is chin augmentation. This is because they want to portray because they have weaker jaw and with less masculine appearance. The fifth one is liposuction. Liposuction is not a weight loss technique. Doing liposuction can reducing flanks and provides sleeker frame, but they must do exercise first. If the exercise still did not satisfy them, they need to do the liposuction. Okay, the female one is buttock lift. Is Buttock lift is to improve their tummy tuck or their groin, thighs or their lower part of the body. Chin, cheek and jaw reshaping. The fourth one is forehead lift. Is is to Forehead lift is to increase or to lessen to improve their youth. The fourth one is lip augmentation. Lip augmentation is to make their lips fuller and plumper. And lastly is nose reshaping, same as the male one is called as rhinoplasty. Okay, motivation for them to do plastic surgery. There are two reasons why they do that. The first one is good reasoning. The good reason is to reverse their sign of aging. It's because it's to make them to allow to hold on to their look for longer. It's by doing facial saging with facelifting to make them 10 times more younger. The second one is sun damaged skin. This is because they do sunbathing too often because of cheap tanning, but doing so it have doing sunbathing is very dangerous because UV can damage their skin and it will cause them have premature aging. It also can lead to skin cancer. The third one is acne scar, which is kind of pimple that show in face and you cannot remove. It is not possible to remove every type of scar, but doing laser skin resurfacing may can reduce their acne scar. The fourth one is fixing a physical problem. It can, due to the fact it can restore the proper functioning area of their body. The fifth one is career boost. This can make them act their more confidence. This is because some people prefer attractive people than not attractive. Doing plastic surgery can enable them to get along with other people better. The, the second one is bad reason. Many people do not do this because one they aiming for perfection. The aiming for perfection is usually for people that have body dysmorphic disorder because they will not ever satisfied with the way they look even they have do plastic surgery and they will do more repetitive until they feel confident enough with their body. Second one is feeling depressed because due to fact they have deformed appearance and can make them have low self-esteem. They have deformed appearance because of the bad accident happened to them before and cannot be fixed. The second one is to recover after someone's death because if their partner this is because they did not want to feel alone on their old age later. This is they do this plastic surgery because to get someone to love them. The fifth one is feeling bored. Yes, some people doing this because feeling bored and want to add more spark to their life. And the last one is wanting to please someone else. It is usually often happening on the woman because they want to just to please their husband and to meet their husband criteria. Okay. The next one is the most common complication among most common complication during plastic surgery. The first one is hematoma. Hematoma is most commonly happen in male than females, and it is most common complication after a facelift. The second one is seroma. This is because too many serum added in the skin. It causes swelling and sometimes pain. The most common complication following at tummy tuck. The third one is blood loss. Some blood loss is expected. Uncontrolled blood loss can lead to drop in blood pressure or also can lead death. The, the, it also can happen while on the operating table. The fourth one is it remains infection. It remains one of the more common the more common complication of plastic surgery. In many breast surgeries, known as cellulitis, it occurs in 2 until 4% of some people. It can be internal and severe. The fifth one is nerve damage. As you can see, the comparison between healthy side and side with facial nerve damage. It can cause Nerve damage can cause numbness and tingling. It may temporary, but it can be permanent. It cannot be cured entirely. It takes longer to resolve for 6 until 1 year. Organ damage. Organ damage usually happen on the liposuction. This is because it interact with is into contact with our internal organ. The seventh one is general appearance discertification. Discertification. As you can see, in comparison because between these two images. This is because some people are very disappointed with the result. The seventh one is general appearance dissatisfaction. Because some people are not satisfied with their face. Undergoing facial surgery cannot simply like the result. It may resulting contouring as or central problem. The eighth one is deep vein thrombosis. Deep vein thrombosis is a blood clot formed in our deep vein, usually in the leg. This is the comparison between the deep vein thrombosis. This is number one. This is deep vein thrombosis, and the last one is anesthesia complication. Anesthesia is make the patient undergo surgery without feeling the procedure. It makes them unconscious, but it also can lead in lung infection, stroke, heart attack, and death. The most common one is waking up confused, disoriented, and shivering. The less common one is waking up in the middle of surgery. Thank you very much.